Hi guys, hope you're well. Just another quick update on what I've been doing over the last couple of weeks. As you can tell, still no trains running. It's still a bit of a mess, as you can tell. But the main progress has been on the hill. Well, what's going to be the bit of the hill anyway. So if I just pan you around this way now. And so it's all done. I've got my fingers there. It's all done with the hills. Keep going round. Yeah, it's all done. Pretty proud of it actually. It's come out alright. I've watched a few. I've watched a few videos on from WWS, and he showed me how to do my lumps, because hills are not perfect, as we all know. So what I've done, I'll just go in a bit further, is that's going to be the compound, as you can tell, and I've done it as though it looks like there's going to be a digger that's been around here. Obviously they've already started killing this grass here. There again, that's all dead. Use the lighting, it's the lights behind me. I'm going to have to get some more lighting down here. This will be the compound. I've got a scale model sceneries. Let's come on. Cabin in there. I'm going to get some diggers. I'm going to see if I can get some with lights on actually. I know they might cost a little bit more, but whatever. See what I can get for Christmas. So this part is pretty much done there, apart from, like I said, putting the diggers on. But like I say, yeah, you can get pretty close in. Zoom it in. Try and look. I've tried to make undulations where I can. In the back, again over there, I've done the same, as though there's been a tractor coming out and in, or a JCB or a digger basically coming in and out of it. So yeah, so this part is all done. Around. I'm pretty chuffed with it. I've started putting some plants in there and doing a bit more foliage there. But yeah, it's looking good. Again, bridge not been touched. Again, as you can tell, still a mess. Next one that I have done over the last couple of years is the mega points. As you remember, it was here. You'll see the board there. It's gone. I'll take it underneath there now and we'll have a look. So here we are. I don't have to turn the light on the camera because it's a bit dark underneath here, I do apologise. It's a bit close as well, but yeah. All done. Relays are in, all working. Excuse me. Not actually. I've tested it all, it all works. I've just got nothing. I haven't got the mega point put in yet because I've still got to get underneath, because I've still got to install 3 more point motors yet, which are down there somewhere. I don't think you probably can see them. You probably see the cable just disappearing that way. They disappear down there, and it got one just through that gap there. All 3 of them are down there. They're on order. So I'll probably hopefully next couple of weeks I'll be able to get that in if I'm not working. But like I said, these are the point motors above you here. All wired up. Excuse the cable. I've still got to just do a little bit more. There's 2 more behind you there. Right, so the cobalt and megas, they're all pointed up. They're all DCC'd up, all ready to go. Like I said, all tested, all working. Spot on. Can't fault them. Obviously £20 each, they should be alright. Hopefully they will last and not break like the other ones did. Excuse me. Can only hope. But yeah, we're all done. I'll now take you over to where it's going to be, where the control's going. So it's going to go here, just there. See some of the points there and a bit more cable hanging down. Excuse me, I've got a bit of a cold. But yeah, so that's the board there. I wish I had done this side the way I've done this side now, thinking about it. I wish that had have been slid in there, so that basically comes down there. Still might be able to do it yet. Don't know, we'll find out. Don't think I will be able to do it now because that's all there and all the wires are in and all tucked in behind there. But yeah, I'm proud of that. So that's going to go there. So that is pretty much the control done. As soon as the other ones arrive, I'll take you to a little bit more that I've been doing, which is just up here. Just been really sorting this out really here, put all my things in there, so that this part of it is pretty much done. I've just got to weather the track now. Got to put some fences in. I think I told you this before. So fences have got to go in there yet, which I think look good. I'm going to put them at the back of the thing. I might put them in yet, I don't know, but yeah, that's where they're going to go. Oh, falls down instead, there you go. So yeah, I think they look good. Still nothing done with this area, again still an absolute crap hole. Still a lot to do here. Again, obviously everything's back there at the moment. Everything that's not been tucked away, it's all back there. Still all there. New delivery that has come. I'll just grab one here. Managed to get hold of the ETA and we'll have a quick look at that in a minute. So first we have the GBRF one, which when I saw these, the kenrow edition, I thought, nah, I've got to have them. They are absolutely beautiful wagons, and they're absolutely spot on. Cannot fault them one little bit. They are magnificent. I also got the one with the flashing tail lamp on. The camera will focus. Come on, camera, focus. There we go. It was flashing a minute ago. Oh, there we go. There we go. It seems to have stopped now, but it does flash. I'll see if I can get it working back on. I might have knocked the switch back off again. But the switch is literally just down there. It's not a... Oh, it's just through there, the switch. Camera's not focusing now. Literally through there it is. Which some people have complained about, but personally myself, I think it's absolutely beautiful. The detail is just stunning. As you can tell, that's the Revolution guys again. Spot on. So you can get the DB Shanker ones in these. And what I also got when I saw them advertised, just to add to it, I got the 4 set of that, I said from kenrow. And what I also got was the plain blue ones. Just to really compliment them, because you can, I watched a few videos and you see them running with them really. So I thought, you know, just add it up. I've already got 4 of them, and I thought, well, 4 of them, I'll get another 4, it'll look alright, but we'll get that, 6 of them, be spot on. So yeah, so they're nice. They're all done. So I say hopefully I'll have them running soon, but at this rate, it's just not happening. Like I said, my next one is, excuse the mess again, that ball's going to get cut, it's going to go up against that wall, and then I'm going to have to make a ledge there. All the foam ready to go there, cut it down, grass it, paint that all blue. I'm going to get a back scene, I don't know yet. We'll decide. But anyway, just one more I got. I don't know if you can see them there or not. I got some intercity coaches from Tim at Arcade Models. Zoom that a bit, there we go. As you can tell, he got them second hand. Said the lights didn't work. A guy who obviously had them before, I said he had trouble with them. I don't know how, but he did. Wait a minute, sorry, there we go. So I've got 1, 2, 3, and I got a buffer card, I think that is. But anyway, them 3 there didn't work. They now do work. A bit of solder, a bit of DCC contact, spring-loaded springs on the wheels underneath, works a treat, so we're done. So anyway, I'll leave it there for the time being. I'm going to see if I can have a bit of fun editing this now. But yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed soon, I might have some trains running, you never know. Very much doubt it, but you never know. Alright guys, brilliant, thanks a lot, catch you later, bye bye.